little fox.
Cinderella, Episode 6, A Wish Comes True. Cinderella stared at her fairy godmother. Really? I can go to the ball? Godmother nodded.
Yes. Run to the garden and bring me a pumpkin.
A pumpkin? Cinderella went to the garden. She found a nice pumpkin and ran back. Here! Cinderella set the pumpkin in front of Godmother. Godmother tapped it with her wand. Zap! The pumpkin was now a golden coach.
Next, we need some horses.
Godmother said. I'll find some mice, Cinderella said. Godmother counted.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Zap! The mice turned into a team of horses. Godmother looked around.
Who will drive the golden coach?
There are rats in the cellar, Cinderella said.
Perfect,
Godmother replied.
Bring me one.
Zap! Soon a jolly driver with whiskers stood there. Zap! Zap! 2 lizards became handsome servants. Godmother smiled.
Your coach is ready, my dear.
But Cinderella pointed at her clothes. The fairy touched her lightly with the wand. Zap! Cinderella's ugly rags were gone. Now she wore a beautiful gown with sparkling jewels. And on her feet, Cinderella wore the prettiest glass shoes in the world. She climbed into the coach. Goodbye, Godmother! I'm off to the ball!